to Tots episode that we just found a stray cat. She's walking around. I saw a cat peeking out the window, looking at my dog, Kingtons, and so and then I told my brother Grumpy, of course, you guys all should know that by now, that I see a cat. And if you guys saw, there's 3 cats. There's a baby one, but I don't see it. But see that orange thing? The orange thing? That's another cat. But I don't know where the baby is. So hang on. This way. She has a collar though, so she has a home somewhere. But we don't know. I think because she would just peek out the window. This is gonna be, ow. Man, I'm so cold. I'm so cold. That's my dog though. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, we'll be back.